After so many speculations, Google finally announced its smartwatch at the company's I/O 2022 event called the Pixel Watch. But the Pixel Watch still remains a mystery. Google announcement only was a preview, and they will likely reveal more details about the Pixel Watch closer to its release date. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Google Pixel Watch and whether you should really wait for it or not. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so let's talk about its design. As you saw at the event, Google Pixel Watch has a round-shaped display, domed design, and glass that curves over the edges. To provide durability along with comfort, this watch is made of recycled stainless steel. Also, there is a tactile crown on the right side which looks similar to the Apple Watch. To match the style, there will be customizable straps too as per its design. The Pixel Watch looks pretty premium and seems fit to compete with the Apple Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and other high-end smartwatches. As for the software experience, the Pixel Watch runs on Google's own Wear OS, which is really a strong complement for Pixel Watch. However, Google didn't share much about the Wear OS features, but they mentioned it will be fluid and easy to navigate, meaning the OS will help the Pixel Watch to provide glanceable stats. Also, Google's Senior Vice President of Device and Services Rick Osterloh described the operating system as being tappable and voice-enabled. Furthermore, you'll get Maps, Wallet, Google Voice Assistant, and many more features with the Pixel Watch. So for those who use Pixel phones, the watch will ensure a more seamless connection. If you're a fitness lover and want to track your daily activity more accurately, then you should obviously wait for the Pixel Watch. Since Fitbit is acquired by Google, they're trying to make their watch a better fitness tracker. Don't worry, Fitbit's products aren't going anywhere. The Pixel Watch will only have some similar features that Fitbit boasts. These include continuous heart rate monitoring, active zone, sleep tracking, and many more. You'll also be able to see your health metrics at a glance directly from the watch face. It seems Google Pixel Watch will have the most Fitbit features in the future, and they're planning to improve the software over time to give you a smooth experience. So, there is good news for Android users. We all know that Apple Watch only works with iOS, and it seems like Google is also planning to go in the same direction. Yes, the Pixel Watch is meant to complement Google's Pixel devices, meaning it will be compatible with Android devices only. Now, Android users can have the dedicated smartwatch, but there is a drawback, which is not being compatible with iOS, whereas the Galaxy Watch 4 supports both iOS and Android. Moreover, the Pixel Watch will have a 4G LTE option, which means you can make calls or receive them without having a smartphone nearby. This is actually a good feature for those who don't want to take the smartphones with them while doing outdoor activities. Also, this feature will distinguish the Pixel Watch from the Fitbit watch. Let's discuss its price. There is no information on how much the Pixel Watch will cost, but Osterloh said that it will have a price tag as a premium product, so our guess is the Pixel Watch is likely to come between $250 to $300 price tag, whereas the Apple Watch series starts from $399 and the Galaxy Watch starts from $250. And with all these upgrades, the Pixel Watch will be available in the market along with the Pixel 7 series smartphones. In short, Google is working on the smartwatch for a long period of time, and that makes the Pixel Watch most anticipated. We expect it will be a premium smartwatch to compete with the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch. Also, this watch will boast some similar features just like the Fitbit watch. And if you want to stay in Android, then the Pixel Watch can be a great addition as a fitness tracker. Most importantly, it will have a 4G LTE option. So, what do you think? Do you want to buy Google's first smartwatch? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.